Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sky-Dweller 326934. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2011. The characteristics include a stainless steel oyster bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp and has a 5mm easylink comfort extension. The dial is blue with luminescent index hour markers. This watch contains the date, month, and a GMT second time zone, a 24-hour display that is off-centered on the dial, a month display via 12 apertures around the circumference of the dial, as well as a chromlight display. The case is 42mm stainless steel with an 18-karat white gold fluted bezel, and has an automatic 9001 movement. This Sky-Dweller comes with the Rolex box, booklets, and a Rolex warranty card dated April 2018. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326934 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.